going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this trendy phone holder. The brand name on this one is called ANDERY, and we are going to test it out to the best of its abilities. Here you have the instructions. Here you have the plate that goes onto your dash, magnetic ring right here with some wipes. Alright, and then you have the product right here. It has the brand name ANDERY. You can lift it up. It's a little stiff too. Alright, you lift up, you could bend it how you need to. Alright. Alright, so you got a couple of angles you can do on this. And then you can lift that. Okay. This is very thick. Now when you put it on, you have your lock and unlock right there. Simply twist to lock and then twist it to unlock. And that's about it. MagSafe, definitely good if you have an iPhone, but they give you the ring, so if you have a different phone, Samsung, Google, just put the ring onto your case. Sticky pad behind the plate, but first thing is first, they give you wipes. Take my wipe and I'm going to clean my surface, and woo, look at all that dirt. All right, peel that. I'm going to put it in the center. If I need to move my dash camera, I'll move it. This part right here, this little carbon part, this is the magnetic part right there. I put the little ring on my phone right here, magnetic ring, put it right on the case. I try to put it on the inside of the case. It won't stick on. So I put it on the outside of the case. All right, you guys. So if you have it like this, as you can tell, you see how hard it is right there to go vertical. So if you this way, horizontal, you fine. But if you want to go vertical, you can easily just flip it around and then watch this. Twist, rip this off, and the whole thing come off of me. Twist it off, and now I'm just going to put it here. Twist it, put it on, make sure you tighten it. And this is a Google, you guys. Nice and easy, all right? Look at that. I like this. I love it. Amazing. All right, you guys. This thing says it holds 78 pounds, okay? 78 pounds. That's what it says, strongest sucker, 78 pounds. Well, here we go. It says it holds 78 pounds, but we're going to test 10 pounds, all right? Don't ask me to product test, you guys, because I'm going to push it to the limit, all right? I'm going to push it to the limit. Here we go. Y'all ready? Boom. 10 pounds of force. Well, no. 10 pounds of gravity. 10 pounds of gravity. Look. Look at that. Check this out. It's not laying on nothing. The weight is hanging. The weight is hanging. This thing ain't moving. And remember, I removed the black part. And then I put it back on. That's how sticky this thing is. All right. This thing is sticky. Boom. Right here. Twist. And it's locked. You guys, this thing is strong. Like super duper strong. This is the other way. And you have more room to do vertical like that. All right. So, oh, that's me hitting my phone off. That was my fault. Operator error. All right. So that's it. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.